Hello, welcome to Linear Equations Lesson 4. Example 1. Solve for x. 7x minus 4 divided by 8 equals 17. In this equation, 7x minus 4 is dividend, 8 is divisor, and 17 is quotient. To solve this equation, we will apply the rule dividend equals divisor times quotient. Look at the following example. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 15 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 5 is quotient. You can rewrite this equality the following way. Dividend 15 equals divisor 3 times quotient 5. Similar way we do with our equation. Since 7x minus 4 is the unknown dividend, 8 is divisor, which we know it is 8, and 17 is quotient, which is 17. To find the unknown dividend, we multiply divisor by quotient. Thus, 7x minus 4 equals 8 times 17. We multiply 8 by 17, we get 136. Now we have to isolate variable x. We move negative 4 from left side to the right side and we switch the sign into plus. So 7x equals 4 plus 136, which is 140. Now, to find x, we have to divide 140 by 7, because x is the unknown factor, and 140 is the product. 7 is the known factor. To find the unknown factor, we must divide product by the known factor. Therefore, to find x, we have to divide 140 by 7. The result is 20. This is the root of our equation. Example 2. Solve for x. X minus 14 divided by 8 equals 3 and 1/8. This equation is similar to the previous, but it contains fractions. Again, we apply the rule dividend equals divisor times quotient. Dividend x minus 14 is unknown. Therefore, dividend x minus 14 equals divisor 8 times quotient, which is 3 and 1/8. In order to multiply 8 by 3 and 1/8, we convert mixed number 3 and 1/8 into improper fraction. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Therefore, in the right side, we must multiply 8 and 25 over 8. You can see that we can reduce by 8, so the result on the right side would be 25. To isolate x, we must move now negative 14, we move to the right side of the equation. X would be 25 plus 14, which is 39. Therefore, this equation has the root 39. Example 3. Solve for x. 6528 divided by x minus 39 equals 64. To solve this equation, we apply the rule divisor equals dividend divided by quotient. Example: 15 divided by 3 equals 5. In this equality, 15 is dividend, 3 is divisor, 5 is quotient. We can rewrite this equality this way. Divisor 3 equals dividend 15. Divide by quotient, divide by 5. So, divisor equals dividend divided by quotient. In our equation, the unknown is divisor. It contains x. Therefore, we can rewrite this equation in the following form. Divisor, which is x minus 39, equals dividend, which is 6,528, divided by quotient, divided by 64. We can divide 6,528 by 64. The result is 102. Now we isolate x, we move 39 with plus to the right side of the equation, and we add 102 and 39. The result is 141. This is the solution of our equation. Example 4. Solve for x. X minus 5 squared equals 4 plus x plus 5 squared. It looks like the equation is quadratic because it contains squares, but we will see that it easily reduces to linear equation. In order to simplify this equation, we must apply the following formulas. The first formula is square of difference, square of a minus b. It equals to the square of the first term, a squared, minus twice product of the terms a and b, plus the square of the second term b. The other formula is called square of sum. It is square of the first term, square of a, plus twice product of the terms, 2ab, plus the square of the second term. In the left side of the equation we have square of difference. We apply the first formula. Square of the first term, x squared, minus twice product of the terms. Terms are x and 5, their product is 5x, and twice product is 10x. So we have here minus 10x, plus the square of the second term, which is 5. 5 squared is 25. In the right side we copy 4 and we square x plus 5. We apply the formula square of sum. Square of the first term, square of x is x squared, plus twice product of the terms is plus 10x, plus the square of the second term, which is 25. Now you can see that left side of the this equation, of the obtained equation, and the right side, both of them contain x squared. Therefore, x squared we can cross out. They also both contain 25. We can cross out 25. Then we can move 10x from the right side to the left side with minus, to isolate variable. Minus 10x and minus 10x is negative 20x. In the right side, only one number 4 has left. So we got the equation minus 20x equals 4. To find the unknown factor x, we divide product, which is 4, by the known factor, which is negative 20. We reduce the fraction 4 over 20 by 4. The answer would be negative 1 over 5, negative 1/5. Example number 5. Solve for x. The equation contains fractions 1 and 5/6 minus x plus 2/3 equals 1 and 1 over 12. The first thing we can do in the left side of the equation is to expand the brackets. So, because we have minus before the brackets, the binomial which stands inside the bracket, we should switch the signs before each term of this binomial. So we will get minus x and minus 2/3. Please pay attention that you change the sign not only in front of x, plus into minus, but also in front of 2/3, plus changes to minus. Now we can subtract 1 and 5/6 and 2/3. We convert 2/3 into 4/6 because common denominator of 6 and 3 is 6. Therefore we multiply numerator and denominator of 2/3 by 2. The result would be 4/6. And now we can easily subtract 1 and 5/6 minus 4/6 would be 1 and 1/6. So 1 and 1/6 minus x equals 1 and 1/12. To isolate x, we move x to the right side with plus, and 1 and 1/12 we move to the left side with minus. In the left side we have to subtract these two mixed numbers. In order to do this, we convert 1/6 to the fraction with denominator 12. It would be 2/12. Now whole parts 1 minus 1 is 0, and 2/12 minus 1/12 is 1/12. X equals 1/12. This is the end of the lesson 4. Thank you very much for participation in the lesson. This was Vladimir Luzgin. Please visit my wiki page here. Thank you very much. Goodbye.